Meaning of hypnotherapy.
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 Hypnotherapy. Hypnotherapy is a type of therapy that uses hypnosis to induce a trance-like state in which the patient becomes more responsive to suggestion. During hypnotherapy sessions, patients work with a therapist to address specific issues, such as anxiety, depression, addiction, or chronic pain. Hypnotherapy is believed to help patients access their subconscious mind and change negative thought patterns or behaviors. It can be used as a standalone treatment or in combination with other forms of therapy. The ultimate goal of hypnotherapy is to promote positive change and improve the overall well-being of the patient.